Hello, welcome to the Spark learning session. Today, we'll be talking about spam. So, we have this cache of data from different countries, and these are SMS data, and these are from different countries. And we need to detect whether the particular SMS message is spam or not based upon the certain characteristic of data. This data, spam data, can be found in the UCI repository called SMS spam detection. So let's get started. To start this, can you tell me what is the first step we need to do? Yes, we need to start by importing the libraries. So let's import the libraries right away. Let's import them. And let's run this. So we ran it. Now, next step is to build a Spark session. So here, we'll build a Spark session called Spark session. Spark session builder or create. So we'll do this. And we'll run this. It ran. Now next step is to get a data, a spam data that we want to classify. So let's get started. Let's get data from the Spark. This is the CSV file. So let's read this data. And this data is in the file called SMS spam collection. And we'll import this data to see what's going on. It is giving error. Why is that? It is giving error because we don't have this quotation mark. Now it should be fine. Now it worked. Now we need to rename this data with the columns C0 and C1. So we rename those columns to classic text. How do you do that? Think about it. We can rename that with column renamed. It helps us to rename the column. Now the column has been renamed. Now let's do model selection. For this, we'll set the naive base from pyspark.ml.classification.naive base. Now let's use the naive base with the default setting. Use defaults, and let's try to initialize that. Call naive base model equal to naive base. Now let's get started with some data processing. We need to create a feature called length, and this length will be the length of the text column. So we'll create a length of text column called width column. Now let's add one more row here. It's going to be data.show to see whether our process is effective or not. So we see that we have a column called length. So that's all for today. Let's quickly revise what we learned today. We learned about spam, and we created a model called naive Bayes to classify spam, whether it is a ham or spam, whether it is spam or not. We just want to classify that. And for that, we did feature engineering called length of the feature or length of text of the SMS to classify that. And so we create a column. So that's all for today. I will see you next learning session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.